Alright, so I just thought I'd show you all the shifter mechanism. So you can see the end reaches down between the shifter forks, and then here you have a snap ring, a washer, a spring, another washer, and a couple ball pieces. And then this is what goes up in the bottom there. Attaches 4 small bolts. And you got a ball piece in here with a snap ring and a groove there. That keeps a little bit of compression on this spring. So yeah, we'll get this installed. I'll take this all apart when I go to paint it again. So I'm looking at these parts. I might even replace them because they're a little pitted. So we got the shifter assembly here on. Pretty simple. I think 6 bolts. I actually have to get a couple, like one in there wasn't on the tractor when I got it. You can see it's in. It goes through all the gears. Earlier, and I'll show this more when I go and paint this. This pedestal assembly here that controls your shutters and your throttle. There's 2 bolts underneath here. Once you take those off, this comes out. There's a spring in there, if you can see it right in there. Now, when I first got this tractor, the shutter control was completely stuck. The throttle one was good. Well, something about when I took those 2 bolts out and that spring came loose and all that, the shutter controls now work great. So, boy, I wish every fix was that simple. Take it apart and just put it back together. Then there's the throttle. You can see them operating up here. So yeah, we'll get that taken apart more when we go to paint. But yeah, that's that for now.